Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to download Geometry Dash on PC. So let's get started. In order to download Geometry Dash on PC, you will need to visit the bluestacks.com. So first thing first, visit the BlueStacks official website. And after you visit the BlueStacks, you will have to download the BlueStacks by tapping on the download BlueStack button to download the installer. Once the download is complete, you can search the Geometry Dash in the search address bar and you will get to see the install option available there. Obviously, you will need to sign in and open the BlueStacks and search for the Geometry Dash. And after you download and search for the Geometry Dash, you will see the install button available right next to the Geometry Dash game and you can download it very easily. So that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to download and play Geometry Dash on your PC using BlueStacks without any issues. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.